FS begins every project with a deep understanding of your needs. Our experts first assess your equipment issues remotely or on-site and customize a solution to perfectly fit your business needs. With 7 strategically located warehouses, we ensure fast and efficient solution delivery. Additionally, we leverage advanced management systems to optimize inventory and enhance operational efficiency with automated processes. Partnering with UPS and DHL, we provide flexible transport solutions, including same-day delivery and scheduled delivery options. Self-pickup is also available at your convenience. Once your hardware arrives, if necessary, you can schedule an appointment with our local technical team for on-site installation and software configuration, ensuring a smooth deployment. To support your success, we also offer comprehensive online and offline training, enabling a seamless transition to our products and solutions. Need more support? Our experienced account managers are available 24/5 to assist you.